I became aware that if I was going to pay heavy dues for being a Jew, I should be all of it, that I should embrace it thoroughly. I decided that I disliked euphemisms. Letters to the Times used to get me furious. I'm of the Jewish faith. It's not a faith. I was born Jewish, but I'm no longer observant. What does that mean? Why are you apologizing? Why is the word Jew so frightening? And I realized that among my compatriots, it meant the black hat, the payas, the beard, the certain attitudes that made them unassimilated and uncomfortable. And I said, that's not the way to measure your own life.